Well, the benchmark indices lost ground at the start of the new somewhat, but there were pockets of strength for the Indian equity markets. Let's first take a look at the benchmark Nifty 50. It ended with cuts of about 0.4%, with the Nifty ending at 19,450 or very close to that mark. Sector heavyweights Reliance Industries as well as HDFC Bank proved to be a big drag on the index today, and there were more losers than gainers, but the broader markets outperformed, and in fact the small cap 250 index hit an all-time high in trade. Now, most of the sector indices lost ground, but there were, again, like I said, pockets of strength. The Nifty PSU Bank Index, for one, gained about 2.6%, and that's despite the fact that the Nifty Bank lost about 0.25% or thereabouts in trade. The Nifty Metal Index also bucked the trend and gained about 0.4%. Heading into the new week or heading into the rest of the week, US CPI data will be the key monitorable as we end the earnings season here and look forward to the next big set of cues. Among the top gainers on the benchmark, you had the likes of Coal India, Eicher Motors, Hindalco, M&M as well as JSW Steel. And like I said, there were more losers than gainers. And among the top losers, you had the likes of SBI Life, Bajaj Finance, Infosys, Apollo Hospitals and Tech Mahindra. I will mention a few more stocks. You had BSE, which has been on a bit of a tear in the recent past. It gained another 9% today, building on gains from the last month or so, where it has gained over 50%. Biocon has dropped over 4%, and that's on account of a miss on the Q2 PAT, and that's despite the fact that the profit number was twice the comparable period. Glenmark Pharma also lost about 5% on account of a miss in the earnings. And finally, from the PSU banking pack that I was talking about, the likes of Union Bank, Indian Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, UCO Bank and Central Bank all gained over 5% in trade today. So don't be surprised if you hear a big headline from that space. Something seems to be brewing.